global innovation. We salute our MSMEs and entrepreneurs, the backbone of Karnataka's industrial success. With over 8 lakh MSMEs employing more than 55 lakh people, they drive innovation, job creation, and economic resilience. As we say in Kannada, ಬೇರುಗಳು ಆಳವಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಮರವು ತನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ. If the roots are deep, the tree can grow as tall as it wants. This is the foundation we are building. Karnataka is a powerhouse of industrial development supported by the KDB's creation of 200 plus industrial areas spanning 85,000 plus acres and accommodating around 25,000 units. The state strategically employs a cluster-based approach to minimize cost and maximize efficiency, fostering specialized hubs like the aerospace and defense clusters, EV manufacturing cluster, advanced pharma park, deep tech park, drone park, etc., along with unique zones like the Japanese industrial township. These shall serve as cutting-edge hubs for manufacturing and R&D, further strengthening Karnataka's position in the respective sectors. We have also recently passed notification of 12 plus industrial areas as special investment regions covering an area of more than 30,000 acres. This will further ensure development of world-class infrastructure. Our new industrial policy represents our commitment to support specific needs of investors. We have introduced flexible subsidy options, allowing investors to choose between production-linked incentives and capital subsidy. Companies co-locating their R&D centers with manufacturing units receive an additional incentive because we believe in fostering innovation alongside production. We are also restructuring our investment promotion arm, Invest Karnataka Forum, to match global standards. IKF will now be better equipped to drive invest promotion and facilitate business growth. Collaboration is at the heart of our approach to driving industrial growth. To ensure continuous engagement with industry leaders and align our policies with market needs, we have established 9 vision groups across key sectors. Through these vision groups, we actively seek and implement industry's feedback, ensuring our policies and initiatives align with real business needs. We want to ensure Invest Karnataka 2025 is not just another investors meet. It represents our vision to collaborate growth on a global scale. We are proud to have 19 country partners and 10 country pavilions showcasing Karnataka's emergence as a truly global investment destination. Our speaker lineup includes many global thought leaders. This diverse international participation brings a truly global perspective to our discussion and partnership. In addition, we are focusing not just on attracting investments, but on grounding them. Our emphasis
ಇದು ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿ.
ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಏಷ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ ಸುವರ್ಣ ನ್ಯೂಸ್.